Here's a complete vocabulary list for IELTS Writing Task 1, Line Graphs, organized by functions so you can use it naturally in your report. 1 is introduction phrases. Use these to start your answer. The line graph illustrates the changes in. The graph shows the trend of. The line chart compares the number, percentage of. The given graph depicts how, change over a period of. The chart provides information about. Example, the line graph illustrates the number of tourists visiting India between 2000 and 2020. 2 is vocabulary for describing increase. Use variety to avoid repetition. Increase, rise, grow, climb, go up, surge, sudden, strong increase. Rocket, soar, dramatic increase. Example, the number of users rose sharply from 10% to 60% in 2010. 3rd is vocabulary for describing decrease. Decrease, fall, drop, decline, go down, plummet, plunge, sudden and big fall. Example, the sales plummeted after 2015, reaching the lowest point in 2018. 4th is vocabulary for stability. Remain stable. Stay constant, show no change, level off, remain steady. Example, the figures remained stable between 2010 and 2012. 5th is vocabulary for fluctuation. Fluctuate, vary. Be erratic, go up and down, show some variation. Example, the rate fluctuated mildly between 2005 and 2010. 6th is vocabulary for reaching a point. Reach a peak, highest point. Reach a high of, reach a low of, hit the lowest point. Fall to its lowest level. Example, the unemployment rate reached a peak of 12% in 2015. 7th is vocabulary for trends and speed. Gradual, slow. Slightly, gradually, slowly, steadily, sharp, fast. Sharply, rapidly, quickly, dramatically, significantly. Example, population growth increased gradually until 2005, then rose sharply afterward. 8th is vocabulary for comparing. Compared to, with. In comparison with, while, whereas, on the other hand. Similarly, likewise. Example, the number of female students increased, whereas the number of male students fell slightly. 9th is vocabulary for time expressions. From 1990 to 2020, between 1990 and 2020, over the period shown throughout the decade in the early, mid, late years. 10th is useful sentence patterns. There was a steady rise in. The figure fell slightly before increasing again. The trend remained unchanged during the period. Overall, it is clear that, for the overview, please like, share and subscribe.